Sa bawat oras na lumilipas, natututo akong tanggapin ang bawat bahagi ng pagkatao, ang lakas at pati na rin ang kahinaan mo.
You're the one I've waited all my life for. You're the one I'd lose it all and die for. And as the sun trends.
Si Sherlyn ay pinili ng Diyos para sa iyo. Sherlyn, si John Paul ay pinili ng Diyos para sa iyo.
No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you. In the darkness, our love shines the brightest. When it's hardest,
Mahal, 8 taon na nakalipas simula nung naging tayo. Naalala ko pa na ang tawag mo sa akin ay Kuya Pidyo. Ni hindi sumagi noon sa isip ko na tayo pala ang nakatadhana para sa isa't isa.
never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you.
Kayo ay handog ng Diyos sa isa't isa. Hindi lang kayo pinagtagpo ng Diyos. Itinadhana rin kayo ng Diyos para sa isa't isa.
Even as we wait for time to heal the broken parts, our light will find a way where hope is dim and skies are blurry. Take my hand and we will feel the wind upon our shoulders. Together we are stronger.
Mamaya mangangako kayo magsasama, hindi lang sa ligaya, maging sa kalungkutan.
No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours.
Sa bawat taon, sa bawat pagbabago, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin at mamahalin ko. Ikaw ang tahanan ko, ikaw ang ngayon, bukas at habang buhay ko.
When the sun sets and
Thank you for choosing me, for trusting me, and for showing me every day how wonderful it is to love and to be loved. I love you always and forever.
it's all for
I'll be your partner in laughter and in tears, in triumph and failures. I'll choose to support you in your dreams and respect you. Marian!
the way I still have a sleep before your first cup of coffee.
Sobrang proud ako sa'yo dahil in 8 years, di ka pumapalya as a father and a partner sa akin.
I could list off a million ways, but you just try to stop me. 'Cause the list of the ways that I need you would take me too long. So instead I guess I'll say I love you for worse or for better. Whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I never saw your heart fit in mine. I love you in capital letters. Whatever the weather, you hold me together. I told you we
Hindi ko man maipapangako na laging madali ang daraanan, pero ipapangako ko hindi kita iiwan kahit gaano
the
kahirap.
nights we turn out the lights and dance around the kitchen. We scream all our favorite songs at the top of our lungs. Didn't know that I had a hole in my heart. You were the piece I was missing.
Dahil handog kayo ng Diyos sa isa't isa, iingatan nyo ang isa't isa habang buhay.
I'll love you for worse or for better. Whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I never saw your heart fit in mine. I'll love you in capital.
At kung ino ang pinag-isa at pinagsama ng Diyos, huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. Iyan ang dahilan na hindi kayo maaring maghihiwalay.
You look like the rest of my life. You look like the rest of my life. I knew from the start your heart fit into mine. You look like the rest of my life.